Hi guys, it's Ray. Today I just want to mention that HTVront is getting ready to have their Amazon autumn sale. The sale is going to run on Amazon from the 11th to the 13th. I will get all the links in the description down below. But they'll have adhesive vinyl, sublimation items, all kinds of things. So in advance of this sale, what they'd sent me this time was an 8-pack of the sublimation tumblers. I already opened the box because the box was enormous. So inside this box is 8 metal straws with cleaners. And yes, this box had 8. If you remember, the package of these I bought only had 1. So, and again, I'm not a big fan of metal straws myself, but some people like them. So this is the way they come boxed. Their boxes are very nice. They do come with cup bumpers for the bottom should you choose to use them, and they are just a standard sublimation tumbler. I like theirs because there's absolutely nothing on the bottom other than the little sticker, which you can pop off. So that's that. And then the other box they sent me should have everything else for the promotion in it. Okay. So they sent me a package of sublimation ink. As you know, I've already converted my printer, so I cannot use this right now. But I figured I would show it to you. This one is the refill bottles. So this one does have syringes and whatnot. They do sell a version that has the bottles that click right into the eco tanks. But this set does have syringes and needle caps and all of that happiness. So I'm just going to set those aside for now. My mother's actually been working with their ink, and she so far is quite pleased with it. So, but that's the extent of my knowledge with their ink at this point. But again, I can't use this right now, so that's just going to get set aside. And then for sublimation, they sent me a pack of paper, 30 sheets, 8.5 by 11. I do believe that this box of, the box of, oh my goodness, tumblers also has a small pack to do the tumblers that were in the package. So, and it has directions for oven and tumbler press, but obviously test all of your own things and get it to the settings that work for you. So we will be using this paper on those 8 tumblers in another video. And then this is HTVront's 2021 updated transfer vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, excuse me. So this is a package of HTV. I like the packaging on this set that's not rolled. So silver, creamy color. I like this set. It has some different colors that I don't have, so that's cool. And 2 blacks. Some different blues as well. Oh, rose gold. And 2 whites, so that's quite a bit in there, so that is good. So again, HTVront is having their autumn sale over on Amazon. I will get links below and look forward to me trying one more round of sublimation using the HTVront cups, which I know subbed beautifully because that's what I started with. That was my very first batch, if you remember. So we're going to do a set of those, probably more Christmas themed or something, but that is it for now. If you haven't checked out HTVront products yet, I highly recommend you do. I've been very pleased with everything of theirs I've tried so far. So I will get the links below, and that is it. Thank you.